guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome here. My name is Eleanor Josefina, and I have a cool, kind of funky unboxing for you guys today. But just to share a little bit about myself, I am a model in the downtown Minneapolis area, and I also just recently started YouTube a couple of months ago. And so yeah, so I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday around the 1 p.m. time. But right now we are in Vlogmas, so I am posting every single day until Christmas at 3 p.m. So make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can keep up to date with all my new videos that I have coming out. But without further ado, let's get on with this video. Alright you guys, I don't do videos like this very often. This is kind of one of my more like lifestyle, eco-friendly, natural videos. Again, I've only made 2 videos like these. I did a Pila phone case review and unboxing, and then I also did a video about my 25 all-natural products that I do use. So what I have today is an unboxing of the THINX panties. And if anyone doesn't know what THINX are, they are period panties that you wear during that time of the month. And yes, I already have a pair of them. I was kind of skeptical about them at first until someone actually bought them for me, and I used them and I tried them and I thought they worked really well and awesome. And so they had a sale a couple of weeks ago, and so I bought them in every color. So I wasn't totally sure if I was gonna share this on a video, but then the box came and I was like, heck, just during Vlogmas, I might as well. I feel like you never really know what video will do well on YouTube, so I just thought I'd play around with the idea and just do this unboxing for you guys. All right guys, so here's the box, just your general box, but I will go ahead and open this. And so if you guys don't know, THINX had one color for like the longest time. And then they had 2 colors. They went from just having black for the longest time to having black and like this cheetah kind of print. And then they went and they got like a nice nude color, a blue cobalt color, and then a rich red color. So I got all the colors for you guys, but let's just open this box. This is for you guys. So that is what it looks like. Got the packing slip. And then it says on the back of the box, for every generation ready to say goodbye to stigmas around periods and bladder leaks, it's about time. So that's cool. And yeah, you guys, so there's 5 colors, and I got the high-waisted in all of the 5 colors. And these usually retail for $38, but with the discount they had going on, I actually got them for $30 each. And I think I had free shipping too, so I think I didn't have to pay for shipping. But yeah, you guys, I will start with the standard black. And these are all in the size small. I will leave my measurements down below for you guys, just to see like just a size reference. But yeah, so these are the black pair. Again, they're the high-waisted, so they have the mesh on the side. But yeah, they seem to be really durable and really, really flexible. I do have these, and this is the color I have them in, and I absolutely love them. The next color I was so excited for was this nude color, just because you can wear it under anything and you're not gonna be able to see it. So all of these are in the size small. And so once again, you have the mesh on the sides. And what's interesting about this is I guess they all have the kind of black interior with just the color on the outside, obviously. Next, we have the red, this like rich red, which I absolutely love. I think this is such a pretty color. Actually, it's not called rich red, I was mistaken. It is called crimson. And then here, you guys, we have the blue pair, which is actually called ocean. And then last but not least, but also the most exciting, is the Cleo. And this is kind of the leopard color. So yeah, you guys, they're all super cute. Love the colors. They're super comfortable to wear and have on. I would highly recommend them. Again, this isn't like a video like I probably will usually ever make again, but I don't know, I just wanted to share with you guys something that I actually am really passionate about that I don't share a lot on my channel, which is being kind of more like eco-friendly. But yeah, you guys, let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comment section below. I'd love to answer any questions or comments that you have. I will leave like THINX and what they are all about down in the comment section below. Yeah, you guys, I think that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and if you could, the little bell button, because that will notify you every single time I do upload a new video. But yeah, you guys, I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.